Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at crude oil. And we need to remember a couple of key things. That crude oil is a mixture of different length hydrocarbons. I'll show you some examples in a second. Worth defining hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons mean they are molecules that contain carbon and hydrogen atoms only. Really important putting the word only on there. And it's also worth bearing in mind that crude oil is formed from the remains of plants and animals that died millions of years ago. Therefore, it's a finite, non-renewable resource, and it will run out if we continue to use it at the rate we do. Some examples then. Methane. Methane contains one carbon, and remember that carbon wants to form 4 bonds. They're hydrocarbons, so the rest of it must be hydrogen. So methane is CH4. Ethane contains 2. Make sure we count. So this has got 1 bond already. 2, 3, 4. Put your H's on and do the same this side. 1 bond, 2, 3, 4 for each carbon, and therefore the formula for ethane is C2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, H6. Octane is getting a little bit longer. Oct means 8, so in this we have got 8 carbons, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we just count them up, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. These have all got 2 more needed, N one's got 3. Put your H's on. Remember octane, this is the hydrocarbon that's found in petrol, so it's a fuel for cars, and you can see, we've only looked at a couple here, but you can see that the chain length, the hydrocarbon chain length, is changing in the mixture. Okay, something else that's worth just having a quick look at, where I've got this here, is here are the different fractions in crude oil that we have to separate and their uses. So at the top we get our short chains, our gases, and they're used for camping gases. Next, as you come down here, they get longer. So next, the longest is petrol, and it's for transportation for cars. Kerosene is jets and aircraft engines. Diesel is trains and lorries. Fuel oil, power stations and the great big tankers that transport goods around the oceans. And the final one, the longest one in this list, is bitumen, which is used for road surfaces. You need to remember these in the order, and you need to remember that these are the shortest, working your way down to the longest hydrocarbon molecules. The way that I ask people to remember this is that gorillas punch koalas daily for bananas, and that helps you just get them in the right order.